People they run. Where this thing happen? Where we just go near there, like you just say, they say people they thief fuel, and it cause all these things. And they don't use cover many people. If you reach down, many complexes don't burn. They don't burn people car. They don't burn many trucks don't burn. Like 20 trucks don't burn. Many people don't die. People don't die. And this one. People where they spoil for this one.
I know get your people, just this truck.
We are informed from the preliminary report we gathered, we are informed that there's some undesirable elements that vandalize the pipeline, despite the fact that the state has provided a lot of security in place around all the rights of our boat, of our pipeline.